Hello friends, this is Sai Fanendra from SQL School. I assure you, complete practical approach to our beautiful and colorful Azure Analysis Services course, a 1 week program, an extensive course, completely into practice mode. And let's get into the details about our course curriculum, like what exactly we are going to learn in this useful course. On my screen, the Azure Analysis Services comes into part of box number 8 in our entire courses dependency chart. This Azure Analysis Services, Azure SSAS or simply Azure AS, involves in development of data models or development of simply say virtual cubes, tabular mode virtual cubes, which is an extension of box number 5, core MSBI SSAS. In Microsoft Business Intelligence MSBI, we design OLAP databases, either multidimensional or tabular. Whereas the Azure SSAS, we would be involved in design of tabular mode analysis services cubes, which are very flexible and support unlimited amount of data storage with a good amount of automated maintenance activities. So unlike on-premise, unlike non-cloud analysis server that requires manual maintenance, Azure Analysis Server is really awesome. Yes, it has got a good amount of self-paced, automated tuning, security, maintenance, and data distribution capabilities at big scale. It's a large scale. And here in our course curriculum, Azure Analysis Services, we keep in mind the different resources and data platforms in Azure and implement the end-to-end business intelligence of Azure. I mean, Azure Business Intelligence implementation with Azure Analysis Services. That mainly portrays on Azure Synapse as a source for Azure Analysis Services, and Azure Analysis Service as a source for Power BI. So this implementation would be focused in addition to regular SQL Server activities to Azure Analysis or Azure SQL Logical Server to analysis, data storage, and other platforms used for analysis services design activities or data model design activities. We shall be understanding with various examples on how to make use of the Azure Active Directory authentications with service principals, users, groups, and app registrations for easy, secured, trusted end user access. So the duration is 1 week, but yes, it is completely into practice mode. 1 hour a day. From my end, it would take another 2 hours for the participant to practice. In general, that's how it is designed carefully with complete hands-on implementation. Understanding right from the basics of Azure analysis to data model design, working with various types of Azure data sources like storage, Synapse, Cosmos, and working with Azure SQL databases and implementing the data model activities. Special focus on DAX formats for more flexible design aspects in Azure Analysis tabular mode. Azure analysis does not support multidimensional, it supports only tabular mode. So we need to focus completely on the tabular mode aspects. And more interestingly, on-premise data sources with Azure analysis, working with in-memory, MCE, maximum core entitlement, and additional activities on MFA, we say multi-factor authentications, identity access management and data model management, and finally end-to-end implementations. So in case you're already having some prior knowledge on core MSBI, then yes, you'll be directly going for Azure analysis. If not, go for MSBI SSAS first, then get into Azure analysis next. Your MSBI SSAS may be your learning, a new learning for us, or it may be an existing learning but a refresher kind of course for us. It's up to you based on your course plan, your resume plan, your project requirements, and your free time availability. Either case, Power BI would be a common reporting environment for both core MSBI on-premise SSAS as well as Azure AS. Power BI is always a common reporting environment as informed by Microsoft and as being prototyped by the Azure Business Intelligence Solutions. With this information, you see here the analysis services to Power BI or Azure analysis services to Power BI, number 6 on the screen. We are going to focus on Azure analysis and 6 Power BI in this particular component. With this information, I assure you complete practice oriented lectures right from the beginning, right from the first class. Either you go for live online, on demand video, or in-house classroom. Thank you very much, and please do reach our team 24/7 for any clarifications towards your training registration and my support for you always during and even after the course for your technical doubts at your job desk. Thank you very much once again. Have a nice time.